Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley D. I am a podcaster. I am someone who enjoys makeup. I'm still in the learning process, but I am here with this video today to teach a simple eyebrow tutorial that helped me along the way. As you can see, I just got my eyebrows waxed. I wish I had recorded this before I got this done so that y'all could see how well this works. I found this on Pinterest about a year ago. And I've been using it ever since. But before I get started, I'm going to show you guys what I use. I'm sorry, let me backtrack. I don't know if I asked you guys if you're having a great day, but I hope so. I'm just so excited to get into this and show people what I do, how I do it, and what I use. So excuse me, I'm a little excited. So the first thing that I use is this brow pencil. It's precisely my brow pencil, and it's made by Benefits Cosmetics. And the color that I use is a neutral deep brown color. Now, I haven't done my eyebrows just not using a mirror. So if I'm struggling, I'm going to pick up my mirror, but I'm going to do my best and get as close as I can where you can see what I'm doing. But this pencil comes with a little spoolie on the end and, twist it, bring it out as far as you can. I don't like mine out that far. So yeah, first, I'm going to brush these brows up, baby. All right, got them brushed up. So I'm definitely going to use the mirror. I can see myself messing up already. So what you're going to do is I start right here. I draw a line. I hope this works. I just washed my face too. I probably shouldn't have. And I come down to the bottom just like that. And I go to the end. See? All right. And now for the other part, what I'm doing right now is basically, I guess, marking it with a X, kind of. Now with the bottom, I am going to start right here at the beginning of my brow, maybe a little bit ahead of it. Oops, I didn't mean to mark that. So, going to start here. Going to go up. Just outlining. Then as I get here to where the hair thickens, I go up and I cross over the other line, but I'm going to stop right here. I don't know if you can see the X because my eyes are not my eyes, I'm tripping. My eyebrows are so thick. So after that, I just go in and I trace it. Like that pretty much gave me my starting and stopping points. Boom. See? Your angry brows. Got to make sure they're on point for the haters. Okay. Now, however, I don't use this to go in and fill in all the time. Like when I really want it to pop. Let me close this back up. I go in with this pomade. I got it from Ulta. And it's made by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this is a medium brown color that I'm using. Well, I'm going to get it right in a minute. So, yeah. And, I also have this bad boy here. This one's my favorite to use. So, yeah. I have other brushes, but this one is my favorite. It's just the right size, and I can grip it better. But I start in the back, and I just lightly brush it to fill it in. All right. And I don't normally use a lot of this because I don't want my brows too dark. And I don't go up here. I stop right here. And lightly stroke it in there. See? Now, you're not done. However, I go in and I clean it up with concealer. I use a very cheap concealer. I got this from the hair store called Pro Conceal. And the color I use is Fawn. All right. Yeah. This one's a cheap one. And I like to use this bad boy right here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me put all of this down. I'm trying to hold too much. This brush right here, it's got a kind of like a little point on this end. So just squeeze a little bit up and try to catch it with my brush. I don't use a whole lot. Just dab it on there a little bit. Dab it. All right. Get this. Where that line is, that's where you're going to start putting your concealer and just clean it up. Oh, yeah. If you're watching this today doing your brows, baby, you are going to have some clean brows today. Sometimes my hand just spazzes out and it shakes. So that's why I'm moving so slow. I don't want it to spaz out and start shaking while I'm showing y'all this. All right. You see it, girl? Okay. Now, I do use a different concealer. Sometimes I'll just go in at the top with my makeup to clean the top up, but I found this other really bomb concealer. And it's from Juvia's place. It's concealer number 9. Oh, Lord, I got it upside down. Get that light out of there. Hope you can see it. It's number 9. Yep. And this thing is huge, so I just wipe my brush off because I'm going to scoop some off of here. Because this bad boy is humongous. Get a little bit off the tip. And I go in, and I just clean the top. And I try to get as close to the brow line as I possibly can. And I'm also washing some of my brushes today, the ones that I haven't washed yet. So in order for me to blend this today, I have these bad boys that I get from Dollar General. And you're just going to pat it all in. I wish I had my other brush that I normally use. I'll do another video and use the brush that I normally use. It's a lot easier. And the process is a lot quicker when I use it too. So, there we go. Ooh. Get the one underneath. Pat, pat, pat. Be very careful. Sometimes I tend to accidentally push the concealer up into my eyebrow. I'm going to be very careful not to do that here. Okay. So that's one side, but I'm not done. Get this end here and just go like this here. And I brush that up and boom, voila. Almost a perfect brow. Now we can go in on the other side. Now that you know what I'm doing, you can go ahead and try it by yourself too if you haven't started already. So, back to the pencil. Now this is the one I normally like mess up on. But as long as they look like sisters, they don't have to be twins. As long as they look like sisters, you're okay. Kaya told me that a long time ago when I was learning my brows, and I always have to repeat it to myself still to this day. So appreciate that, Kaya. As long as they look like sisters, baby, you're okay. All right. Same method over here. Start at the top. See? Messing up already. Y'all can't see that, can you? Let me go like this. Get to the bottom. Now this one, I had a car accident a few years ago. So it's like really bumpy right here. So if you see me going like this, I'm just trying to make sure I get it all in that spot. There we go. That's the first time I did that fast right there. So after we do that, I feel like I need to add a little bit more right here. Okay, there we go. Close this back up. Oh! I'm knocking stuff over. 1 second, be right back. Okay, back to the pomade. After we had a little whoop-de-whoops. And I know that was loud, y'all. I'm sorry, because it fell right next to my mic. So again, go in with light strokes starting at the end. You know what? I missed a step. I didn't finish. The drop had me shook. So let me finish this. All right. Oh, there we go. Here. Okay. Now we can go in with the pomade. Not a little too much. All right, start at the back with some really light strokes and work your way up to the front. Once again, if you have really thick eyebrows like myself, you don't have to use much. It doesn't take that much at all. Trust me. Unless you want like a really, 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 really dark look. My forehead is shiny. I hope y'all can see this. So now that I've done that, I am going to get my lighter concealer to clean it up underneath. Let me put this down before it falls again. Okay. Get my lighter concealer. Like it didn't want to come out. All right. There we go. And remember, get as close as you can to that line. And just clean it up. Oh, my brush is acting funky on me. We still made it work. All right. Now, after you did that one, if you want to, you can use your makeup. And again, I'm using a different kind of concealer I have fallen in love with. That's a bit darker than the one that I just used to go over the top. So I'm just going to, I'm making a mess today. It's going to get a little bit of that. A little too much on the brush. Okay. That back down in there. And we're going to start towards the front at the top. And outline. I'm sorry. I really have to concentrate on this side. My mouth is wide open. All right. I didn't realize I didn't finish that at the bottom. So now you just go in and blend it. And again, like I said, I'm going to do another video showing the actual brush that I use to blend with my concealer into my eyebrows, well, above my eyebrows. I'm so discombobulated today. And as y'all can see, I have a lot of breakout. I don't know what it's coming from. I'm trying different skincare regimens. So if anyone has one for sensitive skin that really, really works, help me. Your sister needs help, okay? So just dab it on in there. And boom. Now, again, this end with the brush. And, oh, yeah, I already did that one. I'm tripping. Just brush it this way. Just the tip of it. And then I brush it up a little bit to clean it back up. And now we have some beautiful brows. So this tutorial helped you. Leave me a comment down below if you would like to request a specific video. Of course, you can drop that comment down below. So yeah. Oh, and I'm also gonna list the products at the bottom. I got most of these from Ulta, but the lighter concealer, of course, I got from the hair store. Yeah, that's pretty much it that I used today. Most of it came from Ulta. So I'm gonna leave all of that in the description below. So girl, look, you are ready to go slay today with a perfect brow, okay? The next video will come out tomorrow. So go ahead and subscribe so you can catch that tomorrow. I'm going to do a basic look with a balm shadow. So yeah, I'm going to show you how I blend my eyeshadows. Have a wonderful day. Oh, I just fell in love with this one. Look, I did this one so good. Oh, yes, yes. Go slay, queen. Love yourself. You're beautiful. Come back tomorrow for another video. I will see you guys later. Bye.